Hello everyone. Let me quickly show today a feature introduced in version 106, PySN extraction of a PDF highlighted text. Of course, the PDF needs to have OCR text. We're going to highlight an academic paper for this demo. Quick look at my settings. On a side note, you can see that my backup folder matches the Supernote Partner App folder. I can do that because I do not use the Supernote cloud. Instead, PySN provides the files. I have also limited PySN's input to just the document folder that has 2 files in the digest path. Please refer to previous videos if you need a refresher. I included a link in the description. But what is important to export these highlights is that the highlights settings is set to true. That's the default, by the way. The exported text goes in the digest export folder as a markdown format for the computer and a text format on the Supernote. All right. Let's make sure that we use a highlighter, and let's highlight some. We can see these highlights in the Supernote table of contents. And here is the Supernote Partner app without any data. Okay, it's showtime. Since there's no notebook, we see that PySN got busy on digest. Looking on the export folder, we can see that PySN already created 2 markdown files. Let's look at the Supernote Partner app. We see that the document folder has new files for the input and the output. Let's open the markdown file on the computer and let's compare it side by side with our input file on the Supernote Partner app. Let's switch to the Supernote, where PySN exported the same files, but with the extension .text. That's all, folks. Just a quick way to extract interesting text from a PDF document on the Supernote. In some ways, this is a simpler digest operation without any notes. Happy writing, everyone!